Hi guys, so today I want to teach you guys how to get Godzilla Smash 3 in 2023. Even though the app is not available on the iOS anymore, you cannot do this on the iOS, you can only do this on Android or Amazon. I'm using an Amazon Fire tablet right now, so let's go down. So the first thing you have to go is go to up to down. Do not go to Ramp or anything else. There's another one that's up to down, but don't use that one. So you have to go down here and use the January 3rd 2021. Go to one. You see here, if you see here 1.13, you have to click here and tap there. Next up, just click on free download or download. I'm sorry. You see here, it's a device may harm the file may harm your device. Just press OK. Whatever version of the tablet you have, it may work or it may not work. Just let you know. Let it download for a little bit. Now you click open once it's ready. Then you can just read to this. You don't have to worry about that one. Just don't worry about it. Just you don't have to be thinking about that. Click install. Just let it install. It may take a while. Okay, now the app has been installed, so you can just exit out, and then you could be able to play it now. So there's a logo here. There's a trademarking in the Warner Bros. And Legendary, even though Legendary is no longer with the Masterverse anymore. Some different company sooner, I hope so. So there we go. I can show you a demonstration how it looks in 2023. You don't have to log into Facebook. Just press play. And now you can play now. There you play this game in 2023 with a certain version it has right now. Even though this game is discontinued, you can play it. You can click on the link down below if you are using a Amazon tablet or Android. So just let you know. Thanks for watching my tutorial, and I hope you subscribe, and peace out.